Hello dear students, today we will see the syllabus of our subject drugstore and business management. In these slides, I will explain all the subjects or chapters names and their points in details. Let's see one by one. First, in the syllabus for drugstore and business management, this syllabus is divided into two parts. First is commerce and second is accountancy. So in the commerce there is all the theoretical part is included, and in the accountancy there is some theory based and some problem based part is covered in this part 2. So let's first we will see the commerce part. In that first chapter is introduction. In that the various points like trade means what, their definition, their types of trade, their industry and commerce, then functions and subdivisions of commerce, introduction to elements of economics and management. All these chapters are included in the first chapter of our subject, that is drugstore and business management. Then the second chapter is forms of business organization. In that definition of business, there are having four forms of business organization like sole proprietorship, partnership, joint stock company, cooperative society, and all these types they are included their silent features, advantages and disadvantages. Then third chapter is channels of distribution. In that definition, distribution channel, in that direct selling and indirect selling, this is included. After that the types of middleman, in that various the wholesaler, retailer or etc. All these middlemen are included in this chapter. Then the modern trends in retailing. Then drug house management, which is also called in short DHM. So in that the selection of site, then page layout and legal requirements, importance and objectives of purchasing, then selection of suppliers, credit information, tender, contract and price determination and legal requirements, then codification, other hospital suppliers. These all points are included in this chapter. The next fifth point is inventory control. In that the object and importance, then modern techniques like ABC, VED analysis, then lead time. What is meant by lead time? This is most important definition in the chapter. Then inventory carrying cost, safety stock, minimum and maximum stock levels, scrap and surplus disposal, and the last point is EOQ. These all points we will cover in this chapter. The next is sell promotion. In that definition of sell promotion, then market research, salesmanship, quality of salesman, then advertising and window display. The next is recruitment, training, evaluation and of the pharmacist. The next is banking and finance. In that the services and functions of bank, then financial planning and sources of finance. These all chapters are included or covered in the commerce part. And the next part is accountancy, that is part 2. In that there are having 6 chapters. In that first is introduction to accounting concept and conventions. In that double entry, bookkeeping, then different kinds of account, then cash book. Then third chapter is general ledger and trial balance. The next chapter is profit and loss account and balance sheet. The next is simple techniques of analyzing financial statements, and the last one is introduction to the budgeting. All the chapters are included in the accountancy, that is part